Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the quick menu at the top of your Google Docs. Alright, so the quick menu is this thin line of menu options, and basically what this is this is a collection of some of the more popular commands in Google Docs assembled here so that they're easier to get to because they're the most popular. Here we have undo, which undoes the last action or several actions if you click it multiple times. Redo, maybe you hit it too many times or maybe you accidentally undid something and you want to redo it. Print, spelling and grammar check, format painter, right? So basically what this does is if you highlight text, right, and then click on format painter, paint format, you can then paint the formatting, right, without pasting the text, right? So I do that, and now that whatever my selection is has the same formatting as what I was highlighting when I clicked on paint format. Page zoom, this is not text size, this is page zoom, so if I increase this, I now have very large text. Text styles, font size, bold, italics, underline, font color, font highlighting, insert a link, insert a comment, insert images, align left, or if I click on that, center, right, or justified with images. If I click on that, I have the different options for inserting images, line spacing, checked list, checklist, bulleted list, numbered list. If I click on the three dots, I get a handful more, increase indent, decrease indent, and clear formatting. If I want, maybe all I need is the stuff in the quick menu and I don't really need this menu at the top. If I click on this up arrow, all I have is the quick menu, and so maybe that's all I need, and it allows me to see more of the document that I'm working on. So there is a quick menu that allows you very quick access to some of the more popular formatting features in Google Docs, and it can save you a lot of time.